Okay, so today we are going to do, we got big boxes. Try to fit that big ass thing somewhere in here and first get rid of all this. Having fun? Okay. He's like, no paparazzi.
been hurt before. All's fair in love and war. So I snuggle up close to the shell I'm living in. And if I let you in, another round begins. And no, I'm spinning in a vicious cycle. I'm scared of doing something I'll regret. Maybe this is right, but I'm still staring at your silhouette. What if you're everything I need? A fire in my heart, the air I breathe. What if I'm incomplete without you by my side? What if I go against my heart instead of confessing from the start? What if I miss out on the life meant for us? I need you by
So much more room. Just by having somewhere to put all the tools.
So we need a second one, right?
Well, since we don't have space for everything as it is, we might need to. I mean, there's some drawers that aren't that full.
Yeah, but then with all the tools I'm gonna get, and to be honest, you could turn one if it had smaller.
That one's empty.
Oh my gosh.
We completely forgot to draw. So we still got an empty drawer. It's not going in the street. Something going in the fucking street. I have this particular blue badge thing.
from the start. What if I miss out on the life meant for us? I need you by my side, by your side. I'm not afraid. We found something that'll never fade.
And that's the garage. I've finally got room to do stuff again. The backyard doesn't though. We'll find a skip bin. And while we clean that up, that's everything for today. You gonna eat your Kit Kat? Before it melts all over my phone. Using my phone like a table.
I'll lick it off.
Please don't. What now? Well, if you stuffed up and it crashes the front end. It's not creepy at all in here now. Now for the real work. And I will see all you guys next time.